I wake up every day thanking the Lord for giving me the privilege to have met such a kind, loving, and an all-around amazing person like you.
I've never met someone as funny, charming, witty, and the biggest goober to goober with.
Ivy, you are a star that warms and enhances all the lives of those who enter into your orbit.
My love, you are the moon that lights my path in the dark, the stars that illuminate my skies, the sun that warms my soul. I love you. Always your little nugget.
I love you both, Tyler, Ivy, make a talk, Ivy.